Hi. Today we're really delighted to say that we've got Ellie with us.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year from us. But it's such a nice treat to have her because she's a very busy restaurateur, and very successful. And so we hardly get to see her, nowhere near enough. So welcome.
Thank you. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year.
And we've got her dog that you can't see but you can hear at our feet.
Yes. And while I've been gone, you've been nominated for UK.
Well, we're a finalist now.
Well, I can't believe that.
So UK
seems
Blog
to have
Awards.
come about so suddenly.
Yes.
But
Well, it seems like only last year, and we got a highly commended, which was fantastic, wasn't it? Because it's really nice that we get recognised for the hard work we put in.
Yeah.
But I think we're all delighted. It's a really good start to 2018.
Yeah,
and having you here as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much.
So come on, everybody. Even though I know it's not PC to have a New Year's resolution, I know that we all do because it's just a natural thing. You start the new year and think of something that you want to do. So come on, Ellie, what do you...
Oh, wow. Okay, so I made the decision that 2018 would be a year which I would try and follow all the traffic regulations. Because it costs me a lot of money every year. So, no dodgy parking, no yellow lines, no going into those yellow boxes with crisscrosses. Try to save at least £500 a year. Speed awareness courses, they're expensive. I know. Anyway,
I love it.
So that's my resolution.
Yeah, so
I'm going to try and be a good girl on the road.
So the speed collection or whatever, driving offences collection.
They're going to be down.
Yeah, revenues down.
Revenues down.
Yeah, exactly.
But hey-ho, that's going to make my life easier.
Yeah.
There we are.
Lordy.
So can you match up to that?
Not in interest stakes, not at all, no. But of course I was going to, like everyone else in the world, have a dry January.
Oh, no, I've got a better one than that.
Oh,
my daughter says, because I went out with her yesterday evening, she said to me, I'm doing damp January. And I said, what's damp January? She said, well, it's dry, except for occasionally, like I'm going to a party this weekend. I drink. So it's damp. I think I do damp every month of the year.
Well, I think I've been doing damp January without even knowing it.
Yeah,
then,
exactly.
Because that's exactly what I've had the odd glass. But I'm actually I'm not having 2 or 3 glasses, I'm just having one glass. I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, I'm feeling it, that's a good thing.
So is that your resolution?
Well, be nicer to my husband, all those things that will just last for 20 minutes and go back to normal. And how about you?
What about you?
I've got 2 New Year's resolutions. One involves my dog, Kobe, because he's quite naughty, and this is my year to get him under control. And maybe take him to those dreadful classes, which I absolutely loathe, those obedience classes, where everybody else's dog seems to be so much better behaved than yours. And it's like sort of going back to the school gate.
Yes, but you could, because you're comparing, everyone's comparing, aren't they?
Yeah.
But do you want Kobe to be really good? Because I know the answer.
Not really, really good, because his character...
But do you want him to behave himself at the behaviour classes?
Yes.
So there is this thing called bacon sizzlers, and dogs go crazy for it. I'd even eat one myself. They're like rashers of bacon, but they're for dogs. And I have not met a dog that will not die for you to get one of these bacon sizzlers. So that's how Kobe will be trained.
So when he stands at the other end of the garden barking at my neighbour...
sizzler and he will smell it from a mile away.
Wow! Oh, that really is.
So that's going to do that. You can start this afternoon.
Yes, I'm going out to get some. So that's my first.
Should we have them for lunch?
Yeah, they're delicious. They smell brilliant.
And the other resolution is actually I wrote about it. I felt that this was the year, like the Chinese have the year of the rat or the year of the cock. The year of the cockerel.
It's been a long time since we've had a year of the anyway.
No, I'm doing the year of the friend. And I'm just making sure that I really make time for friends, and I visit those that need visiting, I help those that need helping. I mean, it sounds a bit do-goody, but I don't mean it like that. It's just that I've got quite a few friends who are in tricky situations at the moment, and and every time I do something, my God, you feel so good.
It's
because-
fulfilling.
Yeah,
the gift of
It's a
giving.
fulfilling,
yeah, it just
thing.
is. And I also
Yeah.
think somebody said to me, there's a friend of ours had a bit of a tragedy for the last month, and my kids have been incredible. It's a friend of theirs. And the parents have said, your kids have been amazing. And I think it's such an important thing to teach your kids, that forget all this texting, WhatsApping, emailing, hi, how are you doing? A visit, a phone call. Oh
So
my
it's a
God.
be there.
It's a be there for your
Yeah.
friends,
Face to
rather
face.
than
Be
just
there.
just as I'm doing my dog walk, I'll WhatsApp them so they know I'm thinking of them. No.
Yeah.
Because we all know that took 2.2 seconds, didn't it? You know what I mean? And I just think, and to make, instead of going to have my hair done, go and see a friend.
I think that's
know?
a great idea.
I
Well,
just-
I don't know, she'd look bloody awful if she didn't get her hair done. Anyway, that's our
there
New
we
Year's
go.
resolutions. And so Happy New Year to you from Ellie, Grace, Annabel, the CountryWives.
Bye.
Bye.